Welcome STMA cabinet makers. This video is going to cover how to make the doors, drawer front, and the top. All right, you know the drill. These are pretty simple. They're just rectangles, but of course we're going to add this chamfer on there. So that's why we have this video. Now we're going to go back to our project and um, I'm going to click on cabinet parts, and you'll notice that I've got a lot of tabs here, and technically these are cabinet parts, but I'm going to click on home and I've got a lot more real estate over here. So we're going to go ahead and add that right now. We're going to go to the plus button and hit create part studio, and we'll start with the door. All right, we'll start with the door, and the door is going to be upright and on the front. So let's create a sketch there, and we will right click and go view normal to sketch plane. You know the drill. We're going to go ahead and hit a rectangle tool here, and if we use two doors, I'm going to go with 7.125 as the width, and then the height is 13.5. And so there we go. That is a door. We're going to extrude that out to 0.75, and we are good. All right, we're going to choose another color, and let's go with, I don't know. How about a nice light purple? All right, so that's not quite our door. We got to add a chamfer, and this is really the only thing that is new in this video for you. And this tool right here is called the chamfer tool. You could even use the fillet tool if you wanted, or another word I like to use for fillet is round over, but another word for chamfer is bevel. We'll go ahead and use the chamfer, and all you got to do is click on, well, you could click on the face like this and be done with it, but I want to do it the hard way. And I'm not seeing it chamfer, but that's because I have this distance for some reason. It doesn't normally default to that, but I want to go 1/4 of an inch. And there it is. So it removed 1/4 of an inch uh, of the 3/4 inch board. Whatever you chose. Maybe my plans have it as 375 or whatever. This is just insignificant. It's just put an edge on there to soften it up, and that's true in the real world as well. All right, so now I have my door done, and let's name that door. And then you know the drill. We're going to duplicate this, and we are going to rename this drawer front. There we go. Keep it the same color. Why not? And we're going to change the sketch. The drawer front is going to be 14.25, and our height is going to be 4.75. Okay, and hit sketch, and we're done. It keeps the chamfer, saved all that time. I'm going to do the same thing for the top. Or I could create a new part studio and a new sketch and use this top plane, and that would help me in the assembly, but I'm going to show you how to do the duplicate thing. Now there's only one other thing to learn on this technique is to rename that top. And the top doesn't have a chamfer on the far back. So let's give it the correct size first of all. And we're going to go with 17.5 and then 13 and 5/8. There we go. And so we don't want this chamfer on the back, so let's open up chamfer, and we will hover over that until it highlights the one we want to remove, which was the first one. So hit that, and there it is. So now my chamfer is gone on that edge. And that's it. Now I have my top drawn. I believe I have, no, I don't have all my parts. I got to draw a I got to draw the trim for the bottom, and that'll be on the next video.